Vandana and you are watching 99.9 Engineering Station. So student, today I am going to do a one numerical on heat transfer, and the numerical is the hot gas at 980 degrees centigrade flow past the upper surface of the blade of gas turbine, okay, and the lower surface is cooled by the air blend of the compressor, okay. Then the convection heat transfer coefficient of upper layer and the lower layer to be 2830 and 1415 watt per meter square degree Celsius, okay, respectively. The blade material has a thermal conductivity that is given that 11.6 watt per meter degree Celsius, okay. The metallurgical consideration limit of the blade is 900 degrees Celsius temperature, okay. This is the maximum temperature limit of the blade turbine blade. So we have to calculate the what is the temperature of the cooling air at that condition. Consider the blade as a plate of 0.12 centimeter thick and pre-assume that the steady state condition has been reached, okay. So what we have to do first, that we have to draw a schematic diagram of the turbine blade. So as we know that according to the question, the turbine blade is contact with the two different type of air. First, that it is contact with the hot air from the upper section of the turbine blade, and in the lower section is in contact with the air cooled air. So let's draw the diagram of the turbine blade. Turbine blade. Okay, so suppose this is the turbine blade and its thickness is given that is 0.12 centimeter, okay, and it's this, if we consider this is the upper surface of the blade and this part is the lower surface of the blade, okay. So thermal conductivity is also given that the thermal conductivity of the blade is 11.6 watt per meter degree Celsius, and the heat transfer coefficient of the hot air and the cold air is given. So we know that the turbine blade is in contact with the hot air from the upper surface. So we blow the hot air from the upper surface, that is hot air, okay, and its temperature, atmospheric temperature is 980 degree Celsius, okay. And from here the from this lower section of the turbine blade, the cooled air is passing through, okay. Cooled air is passing through from the compressor. So here the turbine is contact with the hot air from the upper section and with contact with the cool air from the lower section, okay. The heat transfer coefficient of the upper surface is given that is 2830 watt per meter square degree Celsius, and the heat transfer coefficient of lower section is given 1415 watt per meter square degrees Celsius, okay. So I have written down all the given data in this schematic diagram, okay. Now we have to assume, so firstly we assume that we have unit surface area, we have unit area, ठीक है, area of the blade. So student, first we calculate the resistance of each and every mode, that is convection, which is take place in between the hot air and the upper surface of the turbine blade, and then we calculate the resistance of the conduction mode, that which is acting between the metal surface and again we calculate the third resistance, which is between the convection, which is acting between the lower surface of the turbine blade to the cooled surface, cooled air, okay. So first we calculate all the resistance, then we calculate the heat transfer rate, and after that step by step we calculate the value of temperature T1, then we finally find out the temperature of the cooled air, okay. So let's start step by step. So first we find out the temperature. First we find out the resistance R1 find out the resistance which is acting on the upper surface of the turbine blade. Okay, the upper surface that is the mode of heat transfer is convection. So the resistance for the convection mode will be R1 is equal to 1 upon HUA. So we assume that we have a unit area. So for that the value will become 1 upon HU value is 2830 into 1, and this will lead to the value of R1, that is 3.5336 into 10 to power minus 4 degree centigrade watt per watt. So finally we got the value of R1, that is 3.5336 into 10 to power minus 4 degree centigrade Celsius per watt. Okay, then we find out the conduction mode, that is conduction taking place on the metal, conduction in metal. Okay, so the resistance for conduction mode will be T upon Ka. Okay, so the thickness is given that 1.2 into 10 to power minus 3 upon 11.6 into 1. So from here, after calculating, we get the value of R2, that is 1.034 into 10 to power minus 4 degrees Celsius upon watt. So okay, so this is our second resistance. Now calculating the third resistance, which is acting on lower surface, and this is again the convection mode, and its resistance R3 will be 1 upon HLA. Okay, so value of HL is 1 upon 1413 into 1, and this will lead to the value of R3, that is 7.07 into 10 to power minus 4 degree Celsius upon watt. ठीक है? Okay. So here we calculate all the resistance of each and every mode. Now we are going to calculate the heat transfer rate. Before that, we know that the maximum possible temperature of metal will be what is 900 degrees centigrade. So for calculating the rate of heat transfer, Q is equal to 980 minus 900 upon R1. So we know all the values, that is 80 upon R1, 3.533 into 10 to power minus 4. From here we get the finally value of Q, that is 226.4 kilowatt. Okay, so we got the value of Q, that is 226.4 kilowatt. Okay, now we are going to calculate the temperature of the lower surface of the turbine blade. So for that, for lower temperature of blade, we can write it as, that is 900 minus T1 is equal to Q into R2, or after putting all the values, 900 minus T1 is equal to 226.4 kilowatt, 226.4 into the value of R2 is 1.034 into 10 to power minus 4, and from here we got the value of T1, that is 876.6 degrees Celsius. Okay, from here we get the value of T1, that is 876.6 degrees centigrade. So here the temperature difference between the two surface of the metal, if we consider it as a plate, is 900 minus T1. But in the case of air and the lower surface of the turbine blade, temperature difference will be T1 for calculating. So for calculating the T air, the temperature difference will be T1 minus T air is equal to Q into R3. So here, because here the resistance which acting, that is convection resistance, and its value will be, from here we get the value of T air, that is T1, we calculated it earlier, that is 876.6 minus T air is equal to Q value 226.4 into R3 value is 7.07 into 10 to power minus 4. So after solving this, we got the value of T air is 716.535 degrees Celsius. Okay, so this is our final answer, that is the temperature of the air, cooled air, that is 716.3553 degrees Celsius. So that's how we calculate all the temperature. So student, as you can see that all the questions are looking like a very complex and complicated in the examination, but the solution is very simple. So you have to just remember each and every concept of your subject chapter, so that you can easily solve all the numericals based upon such type of numericals. Okay, so till now, if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe it, otherwise you will not get any type of notification from my side. And your most important thing is that you have to follow me on Telegram, because in Telegram I used to post many important questions, numericals, short notes and many more things. So follow me there and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.